Dapat nakasama yun sa video na ano ha, yung hooks. Ano ha, nakagalaw. Good for 2. 59-53. Talaan ng puntos. Marshall. Crossing the midcourt. Pass to Manapat. Manapat on the leather. Traveling violation.
Yun, bagong 13-month pay. Long hair.
And jersey number 10 to number 11, Ama. Looking for a friend to Manapat. Quick release on the side, no good. And number 3. And intercept by Reyes on the goal. Jersey number 113 to Soliman. Layup is good.
Hindi, kumain kami yung asawa ko.
And jersey number.
Inuwi ko, sinulag na ako.
Jersey number 11. Number 11 down the ladder. On the baseline, Elmer. Nice shot. Good for 2 points. One now.
Sino? Ewan ko, hindi ko nakita eh.
And jersey number 2. Number 2, Suleiman. 5. Bang, bang. 3. By Suleiman. Pababa sa tatlo ang kalamangan na may kanan ng bola. Magandang po kay Idol Janelle Bondoc. Jersey number 0. Setting the table to Ama. Looking for a friend to Timoteo. Timoteo to Manapat. Fire of 3. Short Ama. Nice shot. Good for 2 by Oliver Ama.
Fourth quarter na to, fourth quarter, ha? Fourth quarter to, fourth quarter.
Alright, muli po, maraming salamat for
Senior,
your
fourth
presence
quarter.
tonight. Iginagalang Reynaldo Ray Cabral. And jersey number 10, Manapat. Manapat.
Kulit mo, Mer.
I love it. And jersey number 7, quick release, easy for 2. Apat po ang kalamangan. Tatlo lang pala, sorry. And jersey number 0, Omotombo. Timoteo, looking for a friend. Pass to jersey number 7, Manapat, sa gilid. Grupo, shot knock down to 10, but there's a contact foul, jersey number 10. First personal foul.
Maganda next game.
First team foul.
Sa senior.
Maganda yung mamaya boxing. Nakabangan niya boxing yun. Ha? Puro mga hot temper mo. Totoo, di ba?
Jersey number 10. No good. Magandang gabi daw po kay Mr. Paulo Reyes. Greetings from Jingjing Reyes. Next year daw, super singer na. Jersey number 10, 2. No good. Rebound by jersey number 7 with a flip, Marshall. To jersey number 113, Poncelom! No good. Power rebound by Oliver Ama. Looking for a friend to another Ama. Pressing the ball. And intercept by Reyes on the goal. Jersey number 113. But there's a contact. Foul jersey number 11 on his first personal foul. First. Sabre. Palit ng bola, Idol.
Pang live na lang.
Asa mo, Idol?
Pwede ka mo
First row by Patrick Reyes.
May biyahe ka ba ng bukas?
No good. Second row.
Init lang naman ang bingka ni Patrick. Ano? Init ang bingka.
No good. And jersey number. Shot clock down to 8. Marshall ang magtitimon. Shot clock down to 5. Manapat. Perimeter shot is good. Baba po sa isang kalamangan na may tama ng bola. 63-62.
Dikit na lang. Match
And
lang.
jersey number 0. Timoteo. Paul. Bang! And jersey number 7, Marshall. Tumalapat. Malapad with the ball pick. Atake sa loob. No good. Rebound by Ama. Looking for a friend to Kunanan. Pass to the ball handler. Jersey number 0, Timoteo. On the go. Pass to Malapad. Grupo sa gilid. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Ama. No good. No good again.
Pumito na,
Tumawag
pumito.
na.
Pumito na, pumito. Pumito. Net.
Ano yun, Red?
Doon.
Pumito, pumito.
Pumito eh.
Ano yun? Offensive goal interference. 66-62.
Kaya ako nakuha nila kay laro ng dado niya.
Jersey number 3. And jersey number 7. Marshall. Marshall on the go. Looking for a friend to Coronel. To Marshall. Block. 5-second shot clock.
Laki nun.
And Suleiman. Release no good. To Kunanan. And Timoteo on the go. Simple.
Parang hindi mga super senior eh. Lalakas mo lang katawan eh.
5 minutes and 36. And 5 no good. And number 3. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 7. Hacking foul, first personal foul substitution. Marshall out.
Shoutout sa Team Relentless. Matulog kayo ng maaga.
Nice one by alright.
Semis kayo bukas. Hoy, matulog ka ng maaga. Semis kayo bukas. Ayun na.
Magandang po kay Idol Francis de la Cruz. And jersey number 3.
Ang hirog ni
Pass to San Pedro. To Reyes. 3 seconds violation. And jersey number 8. Number 0. Timoteo. Pass to jersey number 0. I mean number 10. Pass to Orion Amanogin. And foul jersey number 27. 28 on his. Second personal foul, third deep foul.
Parang hindi mga super senior. Agoy.
Gulong.
Magandang gabi po kay Idol Biyok Kalili. And Reyes looking for a friend. Ganda pasahan sa ilalim. Nice shot.
Ganun sana.
By San Pedro. Timeout. Centro. Natitirang oras. 4 minutes and 41 seconds score. 68-64. 4 points lead with Team Centro. Isa lang po ang timeout ng Centro. While school side, dalawa pa.
Sipitik mo na siya sa ball play. Busy pong itek. Yan.
Magandang po sa aking kumparang buo, Mr. Robert Padilla. Ang ikasampung pinsan ni Daniel Padilla. Yes. And jersey number 0, Timoteo, looking for a friend to jersey number 9. And jersey number 31, no good. And nakapulot, San Pedro, atake ang mga taga school side. Number 28, pass to Coronel. Dos puntos.
Parang hindi pati ito ah.
And jersey number 0, pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 9. Number 9 to jersey number 11 on the letter. And foul jersey number 27. First personal foul, warning for penalty. And jersey number 10. Jersey number 0 rather, Timothy O on the go!
Ganda.
Nice shot. Good for the by Timothy O. Balik sa apat. Ang kalamangan. And San Pedro on the go. Jersey number 28, San Pedro. And Angeles to San Pedro. Shot block number 10. And number 3, block. 6-second shot clock. Asking. And jumper. No, gusto mo yun na.
Parang may kakilala akong ano ah.
And Colonel, looking for a friend.
Kamukha.
To jersey number 20 and Patrick. No good. And there's a contact foul jersey number. Who's foul rep? 113. Substitution rep.
Di ba wala?
First personal foul penalty situation.
Pati. Tangin na yung jail na 113.
70-60.
Tulak jumper. Ah, penalty na pala.
Kunanan with the first ball. No good. Once again, happy viewing ball to Mr. Jelly Manabak.
Parang mga hindi super senior
Ang
yun.
James Harden ng school side. Nice one. And jersey number 37. And jumper. Nice shot by Angeles. Nakapasok sa hangin si Boss Tapia.
Mas na sila oh. Nice.
Oh, steal by San Pedro. Atake to Reyes. Nice shot. Good for two. Baba sa isang kalamangan. And jersey number 9. And steal by. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 10. Substitution rep. Jersey number 9 out. Third personal foul by jersey number 10.
Salang lamang.
Titikan mo kayo magjowa doon. Titikan mo kayo magjowa. Ayun. Yung mag-shota doon. Ay, nakapajama.
Once again, happy viewing to Miss Lerma Tobias.
Hindi ka nakikita.
Nasa upper box B. And Reyes to Coronel! Change table! Traveling violation.
Dikit lang oh. Ayan. Busy kayo ah. Busy kayo ah.
And there is one. Pass to Coronel. Coronel setting the table. Shot clock down to 10. Looking for a friend. San Pedro. San Pedro may tangan ng bola. Shot clock down to 5. Fire! Nagid! Rebound by Perdiama. To Timothy O. To Kunanan. And Manapak.
Yun lang.
Out of bounds. Last 2
minutes.
Bagay sapatos.
And jersey number 3, Coronel, naka... Oh! David! And rebound by
Sayang.
Ama. And still on the jersey number 27, to Reyes. David! And jersey number 0, Timothy O. To Kunanan. Baseball pass to Ama. Ama. Nice shot. Good for two. About Diamond is School Kings. Natitilang oras 1 minuto at 30 segundo. Running score po natin 73-72. Isang punto para sa kunan ng sentro. Tigisang timeout na lang po magkabilang team. Alright, back to the ball game!
Pangila, 1 minute, 30 seconds.
Kinakabahan na daw si Parang Jerry.
Ay, sulitin mo yung sapatos mong bago! Tamo, galingan mo ah!
And Tamo, set the table. Pass to Coronel. Puts it up! Goes down. 73-74. Pass to Ama. Ama may bola. Sa kanya pa rin.
Ganda.
Gets the basket. May kasama pang foul. Who's foul? Jersey number
Ganda naman
3,
yun.
7, 37 on his third personal foul.
Para kayong
Parang semi sana.
Wala kayong hindi super senior.
Number 31. Conanan, Barangay Inaon, meron o wala?
Nako, nakuha niya pa yung rebound.
Who's foul rep? Jersey number 113 on his second personal foul. Penalty situation.
74-75. 74-75.
Jersey number 91, meron o wala?
Si Joe Art ba yun? Ha?
First ball,
Wala.
wala.
Ay, nakamukha.
For the tie, once again, jersey number 31 on
Ano, kung
his
ano.
last shot.
Ano.
Ang tanong, meron o wala? And jersey number 113 Reyes being harassed. Pass to San Pedro. San Pedro to Coronel. Nice one, James Pedro. Timeout! Centro!
Wala pa,
Remaining
no?
time to timeout. 59 seconds. May isa pa. Kayo, isa na lang.
Yung mga bata, video
57-56. Bumiyaw para sa kumunan ng team. Scorsaki. Ay, wala namang timeout ang sentro. Wala na. Isa pa po dito rin. Working now. Ay, crucial, no? Crucial, no?
Crucial game, crucial game.
59 seconds. Ay,
ganda.
inbound, tama. 59 seconds. Ha? Maganda kami po kay Gina
Oo, mag-live kami,
Pasquin,
last game.
Manalili Salas. And just
Nako.
remember,
Yun
ang
lang.
nangani,
Yun lang, ani.
58 seconds.
Ubus sa oras na yan. Man to man.
Draw me up!
And wow, jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, warning for disqualification. Third team foul. And number 37, tama ang may tangan ng bola to San Pedro. San Pedro to number 27.
Ang ganda, man to man.
And jersey number 31. Number 31, San Pedro to number 0. And
Sino,
jersey number 8.
bubukol.
Tetres yan, tetres, patay!
5.
Oy!
Kapitan. And number 27 to jersey number 3. And foul, jersey number 0. Running to penalty.
Dikit lang.
First personal foul. 28 seconds.
Lo.
And jersey number 3, Coronel, setting the table. To Angeles, to number 37. And still by Centro. Looking for a friend to jersey number 8, Santos. Shot clock, last 10 seconds. 5. Negative. 5 seconds. Nasupat. Nagig. Congratulations, the school side team. First winner of the game. None other than jersey 113 Reyes.
Ah, ganda. Ay, tingnan nyo.
Check. Yung entrance daw po ng sentro, kasi nakita ito.
Ayan, next game tayo, next game. School site versus Just J. Next game. School site, Just J. Magandang bakbakan to.
Boxing yan, boxing.
Okay. Nanonood. Ayan, nag-night na yung mga bata doon. Aki, huwag mo nga. Napapidyon lang kami.
Sige. Live rin, live. Magkasing tangkad na yung magtatay.
Ayan, magandang laban, senior.
Ano? Senyalis na di nalalaman.
Kailan ba laban niya?
Yan na.
Yung wala.
Nagbaba na.
Puro kasi kain. Puro kain.
Di pa mo ako kaya nalaman. Ganun lang.
Well, live tayo mamaya pagka mag-start na. Okay? Babush.